Good morning, children. In previous class, we discussed nomenclature of the haloalkane and also recalled outline of the IUPAC names, the whole concept of the International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry. So now we are going to learn the nomenclature of the haloalkane, common name and also IUPAC name. So look at here. So rule number 1 is a prefix. Already you know that prefix means the word added before the root word. Remember, the root word is important concept. Prefix means the word added before the root word. What is a root word? Root word means it's number of carbon present in the compound. And primary suffix. You know suffix two type. One is a primary suffix, another one is a secondary suffix. Primary suffix alkane, alkene, alkyne, and secondary suffix functional group, alcohol, ketone, carboxylic acid, that. So prefix, root word and primary suffix. Already given some compound. Now we are going to write that name of the compound, IUPAC name and the common name. See. First I want to write the IUPAC name. The bromine is present. Always we have to give the number from the bromine. So 1, 2, 3. See, always give the number. Where is the bromine is there only. Neighbor carbon of the bromine is a bromine. Here if you give number 1, 2, 3 is a wrong. The rule is that bromine also is considered as a functional group and you have to give the number, lowest number, neighbor carbon of the bromine. So this carbon is a neighbor of the bromine, this carbon far away. So you have to give the from the there to here. So 1, 2, 3 is given. So already you know that bromine is a prefix word. Haloalkane. The name itself haloalkane. Halo. What is the name? It's a bromo. It's a IUPAC name. IUPAC name I write by the red. So bromo 1, bromo. How many carbon is that? 2 carbon. So here is a methyl group is present. 2 methyl group substitute present. This one methyl group, this one methyl group. So this methyl group attached which position of the carbon? Second position of the carbon. 2, 2. See, I written 2 times. This carbon attached to the second position of the carbon. Sorry, this methyl attached to the second position of the carbon. This methyl attached to the second position of the carbon. 2 dimethyl. And total how many carbon root word? 3. Prop. See, that is the prefix word bromo. 2 dimethyl. And prop 3 carbon root word prop. This is a saturated compound or unsaturated compound. This is a saturated compound, so ANE propane. ANE propane. This is that. So common name is that 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 carbon is there. So pentyl bromide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. What is that? Pentyl bromide. So 5 carbon is a pentyl bromide. And second, this is a very important. Look at carefully. Here is a chlorine attached to the carbon. This is the first you identify. This is a saturated compound or unsaturated compound. This is the unsaturated compound because a double bond present between the carbon. This is a double bond. It is indicate the unsaturated. So you remember that the classification of the haloalkanes. So how to write this is the IUPAC name. Chloro, 1 chloro, this first carbon, this second carbon. So 1 chloro or chloro. We can write chloro or 1 chloro. So we can write chloro. Chloro, how many carbon? This is the prefix. Root word, how many carbon? 2 carbon. 2 carbon, what is the root word? Eth. So next, primary suffix. This is a alkane, alkene or alkyne. We know that double bond is present. It is a alkene. So alkene is a primary suffix ene. Chloroethene. And this common name, what is that? This is the chlorine directly attached to the double bond of the carbon is a vinyl. Vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. Remember it. A classification of the haloalkane. Already we see that chlorine directly attached to the double bond is a vinyl. So next, this compound, third compound, look at it. This is also unsaturated compound because we clearly see double bond is present. So here one important condition is there. Either you give number this carbon or that carbon. Already here I told that we have to give the number for the neighbor carbon of the bromine. But here if you are giving 1, 2, 3, it's a wrong. The reason is that here is a 2 functional group is present. One is that alkene double bond greater than the halo. So noted this point, double bond greater than the halo. So if you are giving the upside, this is a wrong. So where you give this number, where you start the number, you have to number the start from the double bond. Double bond is a greater than the halo. 11th standard you studied that principal functional group, a subordinate functional group, or main functional group, another one is a substituent. We see that coming lesson properly. So here we have to give the number from here 1, 2, 3. So here will come 3 bromo. How to write this? According to this rule, 3 bromo. How many carbon? 3 carbon. 3 carbon, what is the root word? Prop. What is the primary suffix? It's a unsaturated double bond present. So ene. 3 bromo propene. So this a common name is a allyl bromide. Allyl bromide means the bromine attached to carbon, that carbon attached unsaturated carbon. This is the saturated carbon, this is the unsaturated carbon. The saturated carbon attached to the unsaturated carbon. This is the allyl bromide. So next, this is that 1 carbon 2 chlorine is present. This name is dichloro. IUPAC's name dichloromethane. 1 carbon only present, so dichloromethane. And this 1 carbon 3 chloride is present. How many chloride present? 3. So dichloro. Dichloro means 3 chloride is present, so dichloromethane. See, 1 carbon, one carbon root word meth, and these are all saturated bond present. And here 1 carbon 4 chloride. What will come? How many chloride? 4 means what is that chemical term? Tetra. Chloromethane. So this is the IUPAC name. Already told, red ink I am using to write the IUPAC name. So dichloromethane, tetrachloromethane. So now I am going to write the common name. See, CH2 means methylene. Methylene chloride. So remember, CH4, CH3, CH2. CH4 means methane. CH3 means methyl alkyl group. CH2 means methylene. So remember that CH4 means methane, CH3 means methyl, CH2 means methylene. So this is the CH2. So CH2 means what is that? Methylene chloride. Here is the common name is that chloroform. What is that? Chloroform. It's a common name. Chloroform. Chloroform very important to using the kidnap the person. For that this is using. We see the application part. What is the uses of methylene chloride, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride. So this is that. What is that? One carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride is very important solvent. So this is the overall the haloalkane, the IUPAC name as well as common name. I would like to give some homework out for writing the haloalkane. Thank you.